Hi everybody, it's me Pamela Sage and Kingston Sage, and welcome to our channel. So today we're going to have a segment or vlog about what's in my purse. So I'm going to show you my purse. So this is the purse I got from my husband to our 5th anniversary. So this purse I got it, so we're going to open it. So what's inside my purse? So I'm going to show you. So what we got here, Kingston. So first I'm going to show you about my wallet. So this is my wallet. It's same brand, Aldo. So I have Philippine peso. Look, I still have like 5,000 pesos. And I get some dollars. I'll show you the dollars. US dollars. And here's the other one. Here's my our family picture, my mom in the Philippines, and then some cards, bank accounts or bank cards. So that's it. That's wallet. And we got here our passport. So we got here Philippine passport for me. I'll show you. Philippine passport for me and American passport for our son when we went to vacation last month. So eventually some of the stuff here in the bag or in my purse, just like this passport, should be kept away. And some itinerary tickets for the plane, such as, I'll show you this one, guys. Philippine Airlines. We flew Philippine Airlines when we went to Davao City, Siargao Island, and Clark. So passbook and 20 pesos here, and etc. in this bag. So we get here my tablet or multivitamins kit for my son wants it. And I, of course, makeup. I have a foundation here, blush on, mascara, and lip balm. Comb, lipstick, antibacterial hand gel, tissue, skyflakes crackers, selfie stick, of course, and Charmin feminine wipes in case I go to the bathroom, diaper for my baby, our baby, perfume. I bought this online from some kind of brand. Tic Tac, another snack. Sentosa Post-it given to my best friend, to our best friend. Pamphlet from First Baptist Church. Pens. Paper to write on. Antibacterial wet wipes. Here. Okay. So, Smart LTE and hairband. Okay. Headset. Headset. Some Philippine pesos. As we got here, Kingston. This one is a keychain that I got from Japan, that I bought from Japan. Here's a keychain, so cute, guys. I'll show you. It's a cat. Yes, we have a cat and cat. Take a lucky charm. 100 pesos. That's it, guys. And a key, of course. And we flew in United, so there's wet wipes here. So I'll show you my bag. It's all here. So that's it, guys. So this is what's inside my purse. This stuff here. So that's inside my purse. So this is my purse. So that's it, guys. Have a good day. And remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. Bye, everyone.